Student A, hello, welcome to check-in desk. May I see your ticket and passport, please? Student B, sure. Here's my ticket and passport. Student A, thank you. How many packs or price of hand glue do you have? Student B, I have one suitcase and one piece of hand Lego. Student A, uh, could I see your hand glue, please? Student B, of course, here is it. Here is Student A, great, thank you. What type of seat would you prefer, window or ice? Student B, I would like a window seat, please. Student A, perfect. I have assigned you a window seat. Here's your boarding pass. Student B, thank you. Could you tell me the boarding time and boarding gate? Student A, your boarding time is 10:30 a.m. and the boarding gate is gate travel. Have a great flight. Student B, thank you so much.